Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. STIHL MS 250C. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything, I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. I also want to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a brother machine. This is a damage equipment. If you buy from my store, you make sure of that, okay? Remember, I take everything apart in case you're new. Hello. In case you're new in my store, I take everything apart like that. I can show you everything and be fair. You know, like that. We're on the same page. When you receive the item, it was exactly what you expected. That's how I sell. Because maybe you're looking for these spark plug or these here or these, or maybe you want to hang it because it brings your memory when you were little. Whatever you want to do, this is the right place for you if that's what you're looking. Alright, let's see what we got here. The baby of the moment. Let me see if I don't get the hello girl. Move over there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. I'm gonna check your mechanism. This would be this one. Okay, cool. We can see everything with acceleration. At least everything looks like it's on par. This is returning. That's good. I don't think we're gonna be able to pit over there. Let me see if I can go inside here. The light, I have to fix it. I know. Been saying that for a month already. I know. Let me see. Put it like that. We try something new. We can see. Nah, it's a mess. Not so much. I will have here the clutch is loose. We're gonna lock it to see where we are. You can hear already locking it. Lock. Unlock. Right, girl? Huh? Lock. Unlock. Yeah. And then you can see it's working. It's moving. Alright, now moment through. Oh, the cord. This looks like it works, and it's loose. I'm gonna use one of mine. Remember, we're gonna give it a shot. I would have fixed it, but I don't got time for it. You guys want everything too easy. Oh, look at this. Stop looking at me like that. Look at that. Stop it. I'm doing it one hand. Oh my God! Look at you. I wish I can see the inside here. Let me see. Moving over here. Nothing, huh? I don't think we can see it. No. I will throw a flash inside there to see if I can. You see it like this. Okay, we can see a little bit like that. Alright. No, I don't think we can see that good. I'm gonna try to throw a flash inside there, okay? But so far what it is on the piston looks good. Let me see, gas. No, empty completely. Okay, that's me, which is gonna, oh, and this is broke. I gotta open it anyways because you can have oil, you're not gonna ship it like that. I have to open it. I was saying on this that I couldn't fix it. It looks like it's working. When you pull it, it comes back with pressure and everything, but don't trust me, I'm a salesperson. But it looks good. I'm gonna use one of mine. Alright, enough is enough. We're gonna give it a shot to see where we are. Okay. Very beautiful view in the middle. Don't wear that. Right here. Alright, girl. Okay, my God. Okay. we into something, we into something. Well, I don't even know what I put this to. Alright. Already throw them away. I'm a mess. That's how I throw things away. That's why I always look at this. Things amazing because I put the new this, new that, I don't check, and I start throwing things. I find a few screws there. I hope they will do it. I want to say thanks to everybody that always buy from my store. Thank you guys, appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Okay. And now, oh, right here. Yeah, one of the batteries broke. These new batteries, I don't know if it's the same thing with the other ones. I'm not gonna say brands, but they're not good. We gotta go old school again. I guess it will be better. Alright. This one, my handle too, it has a short rope, you can see there. Let me see if we can try to start it. I don't think so, but we're gonna give it a shot. Why not? Alright, we're gonna use what's pop plug. This is the one that came with it. We're gonna clean that one. Alright, we're gonna go with this one. Always put it with the hands first. Don't try to go if you have a like the machine or whatever. Don't try to. In this case, I don't need to tie that much because I'm doing a test. But always trying to do that. Don't forget, okay? I always put them on the side and I tie them up there like that. They don't bother me. Oh, I did something wrong. When I tie them off here, so maybe when I did this, I tie them up. Let me see, because I don't want to break it. One up. Let's see if I can do it like that. Okay, I got it. I hope so. Alright. Remember we said we don't have no gasoline? Alright. Oh, look at that. Baby. I love it when it does that. It's like a remind me that I'm alive, you know, every time. We're gonna throw a little bit here, not too much guys, we just want a little bit only just to try to start it, okay? Let's see if we can do it with this little rope. I know how to fix it, I know. Come on, Bass. You can call me names, it's all good. I don't know if I should chug it. I don't think we need it, let's see. Oh God, you hear that? Yeah. I feel it. 1, 2, 3. I don't think I have enough. I think I gotta check this if I have another one. Yeah, that's what it is. He wants to start. We already saw that. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna check the spark plug one again. I know it's a handle. I don't have enough to just to go, but you can hear it. I mean, you can hear that it wants to. Double check just in case. But we already know that. Oh, you can see. You see that? That means he has a little bit of. It can be a little bit of water or whatever. got me good. All right, without putting much gas, we're just gonna go with like this, what we got, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so far we know. I believe the handle works, and the way that I felt it, you know, but I don't trust me, but I believe it works. Remember, guys, I sell for shops, people that know how to fix, landscaper. If you don't know what you're doing, don't get into this. Don't get into my store. You know, this should be not, you know, for you guys. Okay. All right, this is mine. That means so far we know the flywheel works, coil works. I sell for parts, guys. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. Okay, if you have any question or anything, I'm here. So far it looks good, you know. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm gonna put everything back and throw some good pictures, alright? Thank you. Hola mi gente, que me dice la raza, que se une a la raza. Bueno, ya vieron la niña. Recuérdense que esta la lavadera es mía, que la que viene es esta y luce que funciona, pero se le partió el hilito. Lo que pasa es que yo no voy a estar en eso, pero tiene buena presión. Pero como yo siempre digo, no se guíen por mí. Ustedes saben que yo soy un vendedor y no se puede confiar en los vendedores. Ya les enseñé todo lo que es lanzarle para no volver de nuevo. Ya vieron que por lo menos este es mío, recuerden que la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. De ahí para allá recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Y vieron que todo está bien, lo que es aceleramiento, el bloque, vieron que la bloquea. Y ahí les enseñé el pistón lo más que pude, tiré también unas buenas fotos. Recuérdense que yo trato de hacer lo más honesto que puedo para cuando ustedes reciban la máquina, ustedes sean honestos conmigo. Yo les estoy enseñando una realidad, que esto es para piezas. Puede ser que usted quiera esta pieza o esta pieza o esta, o la quiere guindar porque le trae recuerdo cuando era niño y las colecta. Ese soy yo. Si la tela desea arreglar, ya eso es en usted, es una decisión de usted y yo no se lo recomiendo. Gracias mi gente, ya saben, aquí estamos, que se me une a la raza.